Oh, you got it.
Go! Back! Who's one is that? You gotta come back this way. The helicopter right there. He's showing you. We have a barricade right here. We don't need tape. We have a barricade. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Well, guess what? Emergency trunk, all that bullshit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Move that way. Please move that way. Everybody, please move that way. Look at me. Move that way. Move that way. Move that way. Emergency trunk. Emergency trunk, everything until later. But right now, let's go. It's emergency. Guys, can you do that? I asked you nicely twice. Hey, copy my phone, not so nicely. I asked you nicely. Do it. Yeah, fucking do it. Get the ass. Do it.
What are you supposed to behind a fucking fence? Go back to the private department. Where's the department? Ask us to take. Everybody goes, John. They don't want to explode. How far? We go. You say what? Hand out water. That's what y'all said happened. Oh, all the way there. Yeah. Oh, it happened. I say. That's what you do. Yeah. Okay. Oh, wow. Yeah. We got here the way. That's like flying off. I think the phone's on the this guy. You know about it? Oh, I didn't see that. Yeah.